हे गाइस, टुडे वी हैव सम मीटिंग। हम लोग मीटिंग कैसा करते हैं, टॉपिक हम लोग एक टॉपिक BWTS के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं। वो हम लोग का टॉपिक कैसे होता है, मीटिंग कैसे होता है, आपको दिखाने वाला है। चलो गाइस।
ClO2, chlorine dioxide. This chlorine dioxide solution is a disinfectant. So this disinfectant is depending on how much your flow rate is into your ballast tanks. That much disinfectant is pumped into your line. So that is a disinfectant. Now what happens is it goes into a line and it sits in your ballast tank. Now what we have taken water from outside. It has its microorganisms and everything which needs to be killed. So what the disinfectant does, it sees the microorganisms, it eats them up, it kills the microorganisms. Yeah. And after killing the microorganisms, sometimes it is still there in your tank. So when we pump out, I cannot pump out disinfectant. If I pump out with the disinfectant water and it goes out in the water, it will eat the microorganisms in the port. So then it can cause various problems. We see that before, certain type of fish will not be available. It spoils the full ecosystem of that area. So to avoid that, we have to make sure the disinfectant value is come down. So we measure this value. Whenever we take a sample, of ballast tank. There's one kit, I put a little glycerine, take a measurement, and when this reading comes to less than 0.02, means then okay, the disinfectant is neutral. Now it will not harm any aquatic organisms outside the water. So only when it is neutral, then when I get it on that monitor, then with the USB I connect to the system and I input the value inside. I select the tank, and then they say okay, proceed for discharging. Now this tank also, what happens is this disinfectant is there. It does not die down very quickly. It takes time. If your intention is to deballast after 24 hours, they will tell you the last 3 tanks you took in ballast, you take two samples from all, and all of them have to be less than 0.02. Only then you can deballast. Another situation, if it is, they give you a range of 48 hours or more than 72. If it's more than 72 hours, it's a very limited one. The last tank you took in ballast, that tank only you have to take 2 samples and you check it, and when that is, both of them are less than 0.02, you monitor, you feed it in, and then you can just proceed for the deballasting. Deballasting is easy on the system because it bypasses everything. We just go straight to the pump and pump out straight. Ballasting is a little complicated. Ballasting, what happens, you have to go through the filter, and then after the filter, then the ClO2 has to be injected into the line, disinfection happens, and then it enters inside. So
basically the name is EcoFlow, and it is called filtration plus injection. So like you said, we have a filter comes, then this chemical, the 2 chemicals that is in the near the paint room. You saw that there is one room, that room we have 2 tanks, 2 chemicals are there, purate and this thing. So in case if in case anything happened with that chemical, MSDS is already posted there, CCR it is there, ECR also it is there. So everybody should know where is the MSDS, all that things. Okay, so these 2 chemicals mixed together go there. So filtration, then injection, then after that whatever water we are taking, everything going through the pump, going into the ballast tank, like he said. So this name, the name you should know, EcoFlow, and it is called filtration and plus injection. Okay, this is the main this thing. So chemical, like where is the place, we have 2 tanks and the room we know, and the MSDS for that, it is already there in the room. So that also you should know, for using, handling, everything is over there. And for entering also we have a procedure, it is already posted there. Ventilation should be on, all that things. Okay, so normal procedure, keep it shut, because normally here I think ventilation is if it is not on, then you cannot start the system only, so it's having an interlock. But still, before you go inside for checking anything, it will be there. And then you have inside some sensor also, ClO2 sensor is the detectors. We have 2 detectors in the room. So if any leak is there in the chemical, when these 2 chemicals mix, any leak is there, then that will be giving some alarm. We can get it in the panel also, and there locally also will be coming to know. Okay, so all these kind of alarms are also there in the system.